Hey, this is Charles here. I'm one of the lead marketing executives here with MyRegenNow, and we're so excited to have you here in your regenerative account features location. We're proud to be offering literally thousands of dollars in real wellness-related value. And we're constantly on the lookout for bringing our account members even more value, so check back here frequently. You know, with regenerative medicine rapidly advancing as a powerful alternative for people looking for health and wellness solutions, there's no question we're in the right place at the right time. We believe that every single person in America should have their very own regenerative account. First, as an educational tool, as an online location for helping people cut through all the nonsense that's out there about this amazing alternative. Secondly, we know everyone knows someone who is struggling with their health. As many people are being failed by the big pharma-driven healthcare system, we want to be positioned as the go-to location for everyone, sort of as the insurance policy of hope. And finally, you'll see with all of the features here, we truly want to provide you with extensive personal value in the process of discovering what regenerative medicine is all about. From your personal wellness analysis, discounted therapies, to earning thousands of dollars in our ambassador program, there is something here for everyone. So thanks again for being here and for sharing us with others.